coming up to Head Bangerz.
Yeah, I definitely want to ride.
Al Michelle's head banging.
I definitely want to ride. I definitely want to ride that down.
Ah, shit, I'm in film. I swear. Cut him out.
Funny that people still call it
Do
Phil.
it right.
And there goes Al Michelle.
Oh, you see, I didn't edit.
Excuse me, are you on YouTube?
Hey, Rebecca.
What happened?
She got me.
What happened?
Rebecca, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, speaking of paying attention.
Again, Daddy, again.
Speaking of not paying attention.
Back at me.
Me too. I was not expecting that.
I was not ready for that.
Wow, that was good.
Wait, let's do it.
Wow.
Yikes.
I'm fired. Okay.
Oh, this should be a fun time.
Because I'm a fun guy. I can make
Cool.
I'm scared. Oh, you're scared. Oh.
Anybody else? Are we safe? Open up the food truck. Anybody on the outskirts? I don't know. It's never safe in here. Oh, hey, Tiny. Okay, we made it.